In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Lock Screen. Then tap on Screen Lock and decide which login method will be the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Finally, answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show private content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!